We're getting a serious
Look at that roof.
hailstorm. And
wow.
it's gonna ruin our yard and break our windows. Oh my gosh. It is, I don't know if you can see it in the sky.
Wow.
Really hard and big. I'm glad we're inside, not outside. Wow.
Whoa. Look at our tree is getting crumbled.
All the leaves are falling off the tree. Oh, our poor house.
Oh my God.
Look at the sky.
That is, we are getting big hailstones. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
I've never seen a hailstorm like this before. Brody does not like it.
Look at how big those are in the yard. Those are big stones. Look at the sky.
I know.
It is just straight hail.
You can't really see it on the
Raining
video.
hail. It's amazing.
Our
Wow,
tree's losing all of its leaves.
I don't think I've ever seen it like that before.